Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. To my current subscribers, thank you so much for your continuous support and may God bless you for that. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and I hope you like my videos and find them very helpful. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Vaseline and onion juice for hair growth. First, let's share the benefits of onion juice for hair. Onion juice is rich in sulfur that prevents breakage and thinning of hair. The sulfur that is found in onion juice is very essential for the regrowth of hair follicles. Onion juice is loaded with antioxidants that may help to prevent premature graying of the hair. It helps to nourish your hair and prevent hair fall. And the final one for me is a solution to alopecia areata. For some who doesn't know what alopecia areata is, it is a disorder that results in patchy hair loss. So by applying onion juice on patchy areas, you may cure the alopecia. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, God bless and be safe.